Look at what we got showing up. Borla. Jeff Gassett's Jeep. We just got the Borla Jeep in at the shop. We're gonna go ahead and offload it. Hey guys, come check us out at the Borla booth. We're going to be adding all of our Synergy components to the Alpha Jeep. It's going to be stage 3 kit. It's going to be there at the Sema show, October 30th to November 2nd. Come check it out. Check out this rad Jeep exclusively. We got some soon to be released JL parts. We got some control arms, track bars, drag links, tie rod ends. Rear track bars. We got 2 days to build this Jeep. Myself, Kyle, the other tech, Dustin. We're gonna bust it out. Look forward to us at the weekend show. It's gonna be killer. We got a time crunch, but we can do it. All right guys, we're about halfway done with the removal. We've gotten the track bar, drag link, sway bar end links. We got all the bolts loose on the upper and lower control arms. And we're about to drop everything out. We got to pull the shocks and the springs. And then we'll go ahead and add our stage 3 Synergy kit. Rocking and rolling.
All right, we're out back here on this jail build. We're installing the lower shock mounts. So to do this, you got to cut off the factory shock mount off the lower control arm bracket. Install your bolts. You got to drill one hole here, like this. After you do that, then you can so here, and you have to drill one simple hole.
Top it up. All right, you guys just saw all the stuff that we took off. We're putting on some upper Synergy control arms. Dustin was just cutting the rear lower shock mount. The only thing you have to cut, everything else bolt on. It's gonna go super fast, couple hours, we'll be done with this Jeep. So we're working with these Aries inner fenders. Instead of taking the whole fender apart, I'm just gonna go ahead and reach my hand up here to the upper shock bolt with 2 18mm wrenches. Snap that bolt off, get the shock out, put some rad flows in it. This is the bolt I was talking about. 5 inches long, it doesn't need to be. Cutting it down. All right guys, here's an update on our JLU Alpha Jeep build for Sema. We're just buttoning up our stage 3 kit. We're about to put on the wheels. We put on these Radflow shocks that we had. We sent all the specs out to them and they built them and they bolted right on. So Radflow, thank you very much for that. Great job. Let's walk around to the back. Dustin just got done buttoning up the rear tires. Next up, we're gonna flex it out and do some adjustments on the track bar, drag link, all that good stuff, and get everything fine-tuned. And we'll be test driving her in about 5 to 10 minutes. All right, guys, we just finished up with our build. We're about to flex it out, check everything, make sure everything cleared right, make some final adjustments, and then we're on our way tomorrow. We're gonna tow it down to Vegas, so we'll see you guys there. Alright guys, Kyle here at Synergy Manufacturing. We just got wrapped up with this badass build. It's got our stage 3 kit on it, coil springs, straggling, track bars, upper lower control arms, all double adjusters. We partnered with Borla, so it's got their Borla attack muffler on it. We also partnered with cat skin leather interior seats, Rockford Fosgate, Rad Flow shocks, which bolted on Primo. Alpha Jeep is the guy that's putting it all together, Jeff Gatskin. Aries bumpers, front and rear, sliders, and Toyo 40s on Raceline 20-inch wheels. Let's walk to the front, we'll take a look at the front. We also partnered with Baja Designs, A-pillar lights, rear lights, front bumper lights. And Warren also got us a winch for the front bumpers. So this is a badass build. Check it out. Borla Booth, Sema, October 30th, November 2nd. We'll see you there.